trip today. We're headed to Nokogiri Nokogiri Mountain. When I asked my sister where she wanted to visit in Japan, this is one place that she found online. I've never been there before, but we looked it up and it looks pretty neat. It's a really beautiful hike and they have lots to see. And up at the top there's this really scary viewpoint that's like a hanging over cliff and you stand like on the edge of the cliff. So I'm looking forward to that. It should be really cool. The drive is pretty long, so we'll be there in a few hours, but I'll see you guys when we get there. Alright, so this is where we are right now, and over on this side of the bay is Tokyo. So if you want, you can also ride a ferry across the bay to get here. So this is where we are right now, and we're gonna ride the ropeway all the way up to the mountain summit, and then around here is where all the sights to see are. This is the creepy, like, hanging off the cliff viewpoint, and then there's a giant Buddha carved out of the side of the mountain. Apparently it's the largest Buddha in Japan, bigger than the one we saw in Nara, so that's pretty cool.
本日はのこぎり山ロープウェイをご利用いただきまして誠にありがとうございます。こののこぎり山は海抜329メートル、千葉県三名山のうち随一と称され、音に聞くのこぎり山に来てみれば阿波と上総を引き分けにけりと歌われたそうですが、阿波と上総の国境を成しているところでございます。のこぎり山は全山凝灰岩3階で長い歳月の間風化侵食され、至る所奇岩貝石洞窟があり、足元お気をつけくださいませ。はい、ありがとうございました。
Whoa, they're roasting dango. I wonder what the... Oh, are they sakura? I think they're sakura mochi. Shit, look at all the cats right here. It's like 3 on the mountain. Why are there so many cats? Aww. I wonder if they're all related. They all look kind of the same. I'm surprised they don't eat these koi. Mara would be devouring those. Whoa. Must be friends. Wow, look at the view. So high up. Holy. There's Mount Fuji, so I guess that means, yeah, it's a little too cloudy today. Alright, we've made it to Jigoku Nozoki, the view of hell. That's the little cliff spot that I was telling you guys about. It costs 600 yen to go in. Alright, we've arrived. It's just beyond this turn here. Keyboard signs. Utsuki! Utsuki! Wow, alright. Gotta climb this. Make sure you bring good shoes, guys. This isn't a simple hike. Oh my goodness. rock climbing, yeah. Apparently there's wild monkeys on this mountain. We've yet to see one. There was a sign that said don't feed the monkeys, so I hope we run into one. Wow, this is scary. Holy crap, we're high. Whoa. Whoa. We're like hanging over the edge of the cliff right now. Yikes. Wow, this is scary. Oh my god. Not for people that are scared of heights, that's for sure. It's a really beautiful view though. I love the color of the trees, how some of them are yellow. I wonder if in the fall this would be all red. Oh, that would be cool. Yeah. The flowers smell so sweet. They smell like vanilla. Alright, next stop is the Daibutsu, the big Buddha statue. I guess it's not a statue, it's a carving. Carving straight in the side of the mountain. There's a little pathway off the path here. I wonder what's down here. Oh, it's a little pool of water that we can't cross. No monkeys. Darn, no monkeys. So it looks like a spot there would be monkeys. Is that a monkey? I don't know. Probably not. Shay, do these all have different faces? Looks like it. So apparently you're supposed to start counting at one of them, like you can choose any one, and then just count until you get to your age, and then that one represents you. Let's see which one I get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31 in the background with no head. This one represents me. Oh, well it has a head, it's just on the ground. At least it's a pretty one. That one's me. It's kind of quiet. The one that looks like it's meditating? Yeah. Could be worse. Yeah. You have a head. That guy. He just looks depressed.
2列の上から3番目。
ちょっと緑のやつ？
のその下、黄色っぽいやつ。
これ？
Yeah.
You got that one. That looks accurate. The path is really neat. You go under rock tunnelways and there's statues everywhere. We've made it to the Daibutsu. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ta-da! It's huge. It is huge. That's incredible. I had no idea that there was a Daibutsu larger than the Nara one so close to Tokyo. This isn't very well known at all. I wonder why. I'm surprised there aren't more tourists here. I guess because you have to climb a mountain to get to it. It's true. It's very quiet here. Yeah, it's nice. So cool. It's just like quiet. It's carved into the mountain. That makes it even cooler. Look at all these tiny little statues. It says onegai. So I guess you can purchase them from somewhere and then leave them here and pray and make a wish. Those look like they've been there for a while. We're making our way back to the ropeway. We were gonna try and hike the way down, but apparently that would leave us nowhere near where we parked our car. So we don't have a choice and we're headed back to the ropeway. But it was nice. It was a really beautiful view, so kind of glad we get to ride it again. Where is it? It sounds like it looks cool and I can't see it. Oh, they're on the counter. Yeah. Oh, I gotta There's a little cafe at the ropeway station where you can get some drinks, but there isn't any food on the mountain, so make sure you eat lunch before you come here. It's not food, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
はい、失礼します。はい、ありがとうございました。はい、失礼します。ご乗車くださいましてありがとうございます。さあ、6まで約4分で参ります。見ながら右手向こう側にひときわ高い山頂の広いお山は千葉県3名山のうちの可能山で高さは353メートル左より海の中に細く長く突き出て見えますので
Alright guys, I'm gonna say goodbye here. I hope you enjoyed the video.
東京電力横須賀火力発電所でございます。